Okay, jangan sampai dulu. Okay. Jadi kita cakap, hi everyone. Semua kita cakap apa? Hi. Cakap, hi everyone. Hi. Are you okay today? Are you okay?
Okay.
Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay. Boleh tak semua cakap yes. Bila kita cakap, are you okay? Then semua cakap yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you okay? Yes. Fine. Dah high five. Cepat high five. Yes. Amen. Di mana panda? Okay, sabar dulu. Okay, kita cakap dalam pancik dulu. Okay, today teacher nak storytelling about, apa ni? See, what is this? Teacher nak storytelling about the snowy adventure of Pink the Panda. Okay, ni lah. This is Pink, ni panda dia. This is Pink. So here the 4 characters of this book. Okay, so the first one is Pink. Okay, and this is Mother Pink. Ni mama dia. And then kita ada the golden monkey named Genji. Yang ni the red panda. Nama dia Ru. Ru.
Tapi tak ada mama dia pun.
Tak ada mama dia. Oh ya, sebab Ru dengan Genji ni kawan dia. Kawan Pink. Siapa nak dengar teacher punya story? Apa kan? Nak dengar? Cakap yes dulu. 1, 2, 3. Siapa nak dengar teacher punya story? Yes. Okay. Okay, teacher start story, okay? Once upon a time. Apa tu? Pink lived with his mother in a bamboo forest in the mountain. Just like all the giant pandas, he loves eating bamboo. So, panda ni dekat forest, dia makan bamboo. Oh, siapa tahu bamboo?
Mana panda?
Bamboo. Ni panda kecil, nama dia Pink. Okay, sabar. Okay, don't touch it. Okay, wait. Wait, nanti kita buat aktiviti. Siapa nak buat aktiviti? Nak buat aktiviti kena dengar teacher punya storytelling dulu. Boleh? Okay. Just like all the giant panda, he loved eating bamboo. When he was not eating, his next favorite is sleeping. Okay? Next is, ni baru Mother's Panda. Yang ni Mother's Panda.
Kalau ni?
Yang ni Baby Pinks. Okay. Dengar. And sometimes, Mommy Pinks asks him to do other things. Mommy Pinks cakap, hey Pink, let's do something else. So baby panda yang small. Okay, next. Tengok ni. No idea. Okay. This wintry morning was one of the times. Lepas tu, Mommy Panda said lah macam ni. Mommy Panda said, it's too cool for us here, said Mommy Panda. We need to move down to the mountain. But Pink didn't hear what Mom said. So, Mommy Panda said again, did you hear me, Pink? So, and then the baby Pink said, yes, Mom. Sambil tu, baby Pink tengah makan eating bamboo. And then, Mother's Panda led the way through the forest, down to the mountain, but the bamboo they passed was too tempting. Baby Pink ni tak nampak Mommy Panda ni sebab terlalu banyak sangat forest. So baby Pink macam dia nak kejam dia tak sampai. Okay. Lepas tu Baby Pink pun macam dah malas dah. I just have a nap, then I catch up later. Nanti dia ikut mak dia pula. Wow. And then but suddenly apa jadi suddenly? Apa ni? Alamak, ada orang paling dekat Baby Pink lah. Ouch! Who is throwing snowball at me? I I was dreaming I had all the bamboo I could ever eat. Lepas tu, ni siapa ni? Ni, golden monkey. Hi, Pink. I'm Genji. What are you doing all on your own in the forest? Lepas tu, Pink pun dah start realize dah. Dia punya mama hilang. Lepas tu, Pink pun start nangis. Where's my mother? My mother is lost. Alamak, macam mana ni? Macam mana ni? Pink punya mama hilang. The golden monkey. Okay, lepas tu, the golden monkey said, look, that has a pointing at some large footprints in the snow. They are so huge, they must belong to Mama Pigs. Let's follow them. So, Genji pun suruh Pink follow the footprints ni. Tengok ni footprints ni dekat snow. And then, but once again, Pink found the bamboo too tempting and he started to eat. So, Pink pun cakap, I still have 40 wings, then I catch up later. Dia pun buat lagi benda yang sama. Oh no. And then, lepas tu apa tadi? Tengok ni. Ada orang tegur dia lagi. Hey, what are you doing? Ni, the red panda. The red panda ni tegur. Dia kata, Pink kata, why are you try to steal my bamboo? Lepas tu, the red panda pun kata, oops, I'm sorry. It just looks so tasty. Pink told how he and his friends Genji had been following his mother's paw prints. But now Genji has gone. And new snow has covered the footprints. Sabar sayang, sabar. Okay, boleh letak dulu? Letak dulu. Okay, pandai. Nanti kita buat aktiviti, okay? Okay. Lepas tu, Ru. Ni Ru. Lepas tu dia kata lah, oh, I have an idea. All kinds of pandas like climbing tree. We may spot your mother from high up in the trees. Said Ru. Lepas tu, Baby Pink pun cakap. Baby Pink cakap macam ni. But Ru. Sabar. Okay. Bagi. Okay, share.
Mana panda?
Anak-anak. Okay.
Kita nak ni.
I have never done this before. Baby Pink tak pernah panjat pokok. Macam mana ni? Lepas tu, Ru pun cakap. Buat macam ni. Tengok. Ru cakap, it's okay Baby Pink. Let's try together. Okay. Nak sharing is caring, okay? Sabar. Sabar. Lepas tu Baby Pink pun dah nampak mama dia. Oh, that's her ni. Ni Mama Pink, Oh, that's her. I see it. I knew it. And then, dia pun cakap dekat Ru. Thanks for your help, Ru. This time, I was not going to eat or sleep until I reach my mom. The end. Dia pun dah jumpa mama dia. Yay!
Kata nak buat aktiviti.
Okay, kita nak buat aktiviti. Tak suka storytelling je. Okay, sabar sekejap.
Lepas tak?
Okay, jom kita buat aktiviti pula. Okay, everyone bangun, stand up. Sabar. Okay, mind that. Sabar sekejap, okay. Dulu pun tak buka lagi. Okay, so sharing is caring. Iman share dengan Naura, boleh? Okay, sabar, jangan sentuh dulu. Okay, awak share dengan Amanda, boleh? Okay, good. Sabar, jangan sentuh dulu. Okay, good job. Ya, jangan sabar jap. Jangan sentuh dulu, sabar. Okay, awak seorang. Okay, sabar ya. Okay, sekarang ni kita ada lagi satu benda. Okay. Cik ada. Ni apa ni? Cotton bud. Okay. So, everyone listen to the teacher. Everyone listen to the teacher first, okay? So, you're going to put the cotton bud into the paper on the white space, okay? Faham tak? Iman, Naura semua kena awak share dengan dia. Kena letak cotton bud ni macam ni. Amanda kat ni kena letak macam ni. First letak gum dulu, okay? Okey. Letak gam dulu. Okey, awak letak gam dulu. Sabar jap. Okey. Sabar first. Okey.
Teacher mana banyak, Mak?
Okey,
Mana banyak, Mak?
nak banyak mak. Banyak mak.
Ni tu nak banyak.
Okey. Okey, start put gam macam ni. Awak pun kan teacher dah bagi tadi. Okey, Amanda sini sikit, Sabar jap.
Teacher ni tak perlu.
Okey. Okey. Tanya Amanda. Okey, sabar, wait.
Betul tak?
Okey. Tengok ni. Letak gam dekat sini.
Teacher boleh kena letak. Teacher boleh kena letak dekat sini.
Letak dia ke tempat yang warna putih tu je. Okey?
Tak boleh letak dekat
Tak boleh letak dekat black. Okey, jangan letak dekat black. Okey, faham? Faham?
Nanti dia sakit.
Bukan nanti dia sakit. Kita nak buat bulu dia.
Jangan buat black ni.
Okey, biar teacher letakkan.
Jangan nanti jangan
Teacher letakkan glue.
cuba nak gigi.
Okay, Iman start letak cotton bud. Okay, everyone tengok Iman. Lagi. Okay, start sini. Okay, jom pegang tangan teacher.
Mesti. Apa ni?
Pandai Iman. Tengok Iman buat. Okay, teacher nak semua orang buat macam Iman. Okay, boleh? Kejap, Maida nama dia. Kejap sayang, sabar. Okay. Okay, Amanda buat. Okay, come here. Dengan teacher.
Ya.
Dengan teacher. Sabar jap.
Banyak apa?
Bukan, sabar jap. Okay, macam ni. Okay, wait. Okay.
Mana kenapa yang ambil punya mana?
Pula dah. Janganlah bergaduh. Sayang-sayangku. Okay, letak. Okay, good job.
Teacher nak ada.
Okay, lepas ni kita cuci tangan. Okay, boleh? Sini
Teacher
letak.
tengok lah Emma punya.
Wuyo, cantiknya. Bulu-bulu.
Apa yang mana?
Dia ada lagi. Tengok ni. Ni stiker apa ni?
Dinosaur.
Iman suka kan dinosaur kan?
Magic button ni.
Sabar dulu. Ni teacher punya. Okay.
Mana lama?
Comel lah Naura. Ibu cantik lah Naura buat. Okay, Iman dah siap. Iman duduk sini. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, sabar. Sabar. Man, siapa nak stiker?
Adik.
Adik nak stiker.
Mereka nak stiker.